What's up everyone, lift 1 at Indooroopilly Shopping Centre is nearly ready for use. I spoke to the Schindler technicians and they said it should be up and running next week. So this is going to be, what we're going to do is we're going to be riding this one for the final time. Today will be my final ride for this. They're the oldest lifts in the centre. They're Otis sensors, but the sticker got removed for I don't know why. Here it is, we'll go up to level 6. Cab view. Motor switch. There it is. And it's an MRL, but there's no cabinet. And the MRL cabinet is upstairs in the existing motor room. There it is. Looks almost complete. New doors put in, new framing next to the doors put in, and they're actually a little bit wider than the existing ones. Here's lift 1. There it is. And it's got the S5AU voice. Now going up. So this one's on its last legs because it's very, very old. Here it is. So we'll go down to level 4. And I wish I could just go in there and just ride it now, but I can't. I wish I could, but if I did, I'll get into a ton of trouble. I could be kicked out, so. That's the new cab and the new lift. Side opening door. That one's now going up. Here it is. You can hear the voice from here. So we'll go down to level 5 and check what's happening. This one, lift 2's got the generic chime. Still stickers on the door. And that's it.